Great. All right. Did you follow us?
She lied to me.
Been drinking?
You made her lie to me.
Whoa, what are you talking about?
Don't pretend that you don't know. Do you honestly think that you've won?
Okay, great. I don't know what is going on with you, yeah, but if this is about the court case...
This is about Whitney. Where are you taking her?
Can't tell you that.
You think lying low for a few weeks in some flea pit hotel is just gonna solve your problems? Guess what? The Mitchells are still gonna be here when you come back. You're not coming back. You're gonna force her to leave because of your mistakes.
Nobody is forcing anyone.
So why would she give it all up? Her job, her money, her friends.
Everything down and go home.
You are ruining her life.
I know why you're angry. Because you've got feelings for Whit. But those feelings, they ain't real. You lost your wife, and you're still grieving, so you've latched on to Whitney. And now she's leaving, and something's gone, something's snapped.
You think you understand what I'm feeling?
I think I understand why you might be upset.
No! No! Because if you did, you would not be taking her away from me, my children.
She was your childminder for a couple of months, and that is it. That is all she was.
She's everything to me! She's my life, my future.
Up here in your head, she
away.
is.
Nothing makes
I'm
sense.
sorry. Okay, I'm sorry if that's how you feel. But it is fantasy. Gray, I think you need help.
No. No, I don't need help. I need Whitney.
Gray? Gray, you gotta get up! Gray! Get up! That's it. That's it, Gray. No, don't touch the live round. Take my hand. Gray, here, look at me. Just take my hand. Give me your hand.